These are two gorgeous coloring book sets I was sent a review from Xieed. Each set comes with a 24 pack of alcohol markers with 2-sided tips and 2 coloring books with 24 one-sided designs in each. Woo! Oh my gosh, look at all those colors! Here is one. Here is the other. This smaller one is hard and like a regular marker. And then the other side is bigger and it works more like a paintbrush. It's very soft and kind of moves around, if you can tell. I love that they snap in so nothing's gonna fall out. And then this whole thing locks up nicely. And you also have this little carry handle because it does lock over on each side. So really great set of markers, but let's check out these coloring books. This is the Christmas and Home set. On the back, you get a preview of what's included. Here is the Christmas one. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. These are like really, really thick paper. Product page says 280 GSM, so they're not gonna bleed through. Really, really nice. Oh my gosh, so cute. So fun for kids and adults, honestly. And they are perforated, so they're going to rip out nicely, hang it up as decoration or throw it on the fridge with a magnet. You've got 24 designs in each book. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So this is like winter and home. Tons of different stuff. All the seasons, actually. Gorgeous. So that's the winter and Christmas set. And then this is the fruit and animal set. So let's take a look at these. Wow. Amazing. And then you can use the markers they come with, obviously, but you could also get into watercolor, paint, crayons, pastels. Like you can use your own with these if you want, but they do come with really great markers. These are the animals. Ooh, it's hard to flip through. They're so thick. Wow. Oh, these are adorable designs. I'm in love. These would be great for tracing as well. You can get kind of multiple activities you can do with these. Just amazing. I think these are a great gift to a child, a adult, to yourself, to a grandparent maybe who wants to get back into art and stuff like that. These are amazing. I love these and I know you will too.